Welcome. If you want to stay up to date with the latest Pinterest announcements, enabling in-app notifications is the way to go. Today, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to make sure you never miss important updates from Pinterest. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you have access to all your personalized settings. Once you're in, head over to your profile. You can do this by tapping the profile icon, which you'll find at the bottom right corner of your screen. This takes you straight to your personal Pinterest space, where all your boards and pins are organized. Next, look for your profile picture at the very top of the screen and tap on it. This will open up your profile settings, giving you access to a range of customization options. Now scroll down until you see the notification option. Tap on Notification to enter the Notifications menu. Here you'll find all the different types of alerts Pinterest can send you, from activity on your pins to updates from people you follow. Under the Other section, look for Pinterest announcements. This is where Pinterest shares important news, feature updates, and platform announcements that you won't want to miss. Tap on Pinterest announcements to open the notification settings for this category. You'll see a toggle switch labeled In-App. Go ahead and switch this on. By enabling this option, you'll receive notifications about Pinterest announcements directly within the app, so you're always in the loop. That's it. You've successfully enabled in-app notifications for Pinterest announcements. Now, whenever Pinterest has something important to share, you'll get notified right away, ensuring you never miss out on new features or updates. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Pinterest tips and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.